I have a dirty little secret. It's my air fryer. I haven't cleaned the top of my air fryer the way I should have been since I first got it. I'm Ariana with Best Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your air fryer top to bottom, inside and out, so that it stays fresh and doesn't become a grease trap. Let's be honest, air fryers get messy fast. You've got heat, you've got oils, you've got food flying around. It doesn't take much to get that thing totally disgusting. Even if you line it, stuff still gets underneath. If you don't clean it the right way immediately after using it, the next time you cook with it, you could see smoke, it could smell, and that slightly burnt taste might actually affect your food. Here's a good general method I use for cleaning my Ninja air fryer. Normally, I would say you should unplug it first, but I actually have a little hack that I like to do that reduces the time you'll have to scrub the basket in the sink. While the basket's still warm, I fill the bottom up about a quarter of the way with water and I drizzle in some dish soap. I close the basket, set the air fryer to 300 for 3 minutes, and I hit start. That's right, I cook this soapy water solution right in the air fryer. That way it loosens everything up, and once I get to scrubbing in the sink, everything's just a little bit easier. Now you're gonna wanna unplug your air fryer and let it cool down completely. You're not gonna want it hot to the touch when you give it a nice scrub in the sink. Next, turn the air fryer upside down and gently wipe the heating area with a damp cloth. You'd be surprised how much grease collects up there. Just be gentle and make sure no water drips into the electrical parts. If you have stubborn grime, spray the inside with a part water, part vinegar solution. An unused toothbrush can be a super handy tool to get in the back and into the tiny cracks that are hard to reach with a paper towel. Step 3 is on the outside. A simple wipe with a microfiber cloth or paper towel will keep your air fryer looking fresh and new. If you have a really grimy mess in your air fryer, you might want to go back to step 1 and add a few minutes to your soapy water cook time. You can also soak the basket overnight if it's really dirty. The biggest tip I can give you is to clean your air fryer well after every single time you use it. This simple cleaning method can take you 5 minutes of cleaning instead of 30 as long as you do it every time. Cleaning your air fryer is not glamorous, but it makes a huge difference in how your food tastes and how long the machine lasts. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was so embarrassed at first to show you my dirty air fryer, but now I'm so excited to use it and cook with a clean air fryer. If you love this video, hit the like, subscribe below, and also tell us in the comments, what is the messiest thing you've ever made in your air fryer and how did you get it clean?